marketing is a process where you sell a product for another person without yourself creating it. And when you sell that product, you are going to earn a commission, and that commission you are going to earn, that's what they are going to pay you. You don't create the product. For example, this person has created this trouser and shirt. What you can do, just come here on Amazon, get the link for this product, promote it, and if a person comes and buys this product, Amazon is going to give you a commission for that. Yes, and why I like Amazon, it's trustable. People like it and people buy from it a lot. Yes, actually, it's the biggest e-commerce website that people buy things from. So, and it has a good reputation. People like it and they buy things from it. So if you want to start affiliate marketing and you don't know where to start from, then you can jump on Amazon and create yourself an account. What you will need to create an account is an email address and a password. Since I already have an account, I'm not going to walk you through that process. But creating an account with Amazon is not difficult, it's easy. And if you are asking yourself, I get this question a lot. If you are asking yourself, if I'm not in the US, if I'm not in the UK, can I use Amazon? Yes, you can. I myself, I use Amazon and I'm not in the US, I'm not in the UK. I'm using it also to make money through affiliate marketing. Yes, and if you are in a country that is not in US and you are asking how am I going to get paid, then you can get paid via Pioneer, and that's what I'm also using. Yes, so enough of that, let's get into the details of the video. I just wanted to give you those tips. Yes, so if we want to promote, I advise you to go to niches like fashion, because women, we love fashion. You can go with niches like toys. Parents are always buying toys for their children, or electronics, or things to do with home decor, because people are always changing their decorations in their houses. Yes, you can go with things like that. And what you do, for example, if you see this jacket, it's a bestseller. That means people are into it, people are buying it. Yes, people are buying this product. That's why Amazon has put a badge on it which says bestseller, and it looks good. Yes, it looks good. It looks good. Yes, and me too. I like it. So what you do, this is the information of the product. Yes, and when you sign up an account with Amazon, you are going to have something up here which says site stripe, where you can copy the link. Here where you see yellow, that's where you are going to click and get the link for the product that you want to promote. Here where you are seeing this yellow, this is where you will get the link from Amazon here. Yes, and when you click that, they'll provide you a link that you can go ahead and use. So this is the link that I can copy and go paste it anywhere where I think I can get traffic and desire sales from. But I'm going to show you a simple way on how you can do this. For example, if you see up here, they are showing you products that are climbing out the chart. That means these are the products people are buying right now and currently. So here they will show you in the baby niche, people in the baby niche are buying this. So if you want to start something that is baby related, yes, you can go that. So if you want something in the appliances, this is what people are buying when it comes to the appliance. When it comes to gym and workout, this is what people are buying. So you can come here and see what people are buying. Maybe you choose like 5 products, you go ahead and promote that, because that means that's what people are searching for and that's what they are buying. When you come to kitchen, this is what people are buying in the kitchen. Yes, they are buying this toaster, they are buying this cup. So you choose from that. When it comes from softwares, that's what people are buying. When it comes to or cars, or automobile, something like that, that's what people are buying. So you can choose from any of these niches. But as I told you, if you want to stick with the fashion niche, it's also good. Yes, it's also good if you want to stay in the fashion niches. For example, if we go back to this jacket that we saw earlier, yes, this jacket it looks good and you can go ahead and buy it. So this is how it looks like. They are also giving you other options. Yes, so if we click back on this jacket that we had viewed earlier, yes, we are going to see this jacket, and here, if you want to promote it, as I've told you, this is where you're going to get the link. And you are asking yourself, how am I going to promote this and get sales? Yes, there are platforms that you can use, and these platforms are free to start up, free to sign up. For example, the first one is YouTube. And not to lie to you, YouTube is where I got my first sale from Amazon. Yes, so for example, and this channel is me. I created it. I'm running this channel and I use it to drive sales to my Amazon affiliate account. And as you can see, I get these videos, then post them on YouTube. And what people do, they can buy these products or these dresses. I'm doing the fashion niche, and I also have another channel that I'm doing from for I'm doing things about kitchen or something like that. And what you do, you see that link I told you to copy, so I put them in the comment section, in the description section, so people go there and click on them and buy. Yes, so if we come here back to Amazon on our jacket, the jacket we saw, this is where you are going to get your link, as I've told you up. So what you can do, you can come to places like Instagram or TikTok. Yes. For example, if you come to places like Instagram, you are going to find accounts. For example, if you come here and search maybe Amazon fashion and you click on that Amazon fashion, they are going to show you accounts here which are into fashion. So as you can see, people are posting things are into fashion. So I'm going to show you ways you can either go download video, and the good thing about Instagram, you can still also do this method. As you can see here, there is a link, and if you click on this link is going to take you to a person's Amazon page. Yes, for example, if you click on this bag. Yes, so this is how this bag looks like. And what you will do, you just come here and click on this arrow, and you can copy the link for this video. When you copy the link for this video, you see here copy link. When you copy the link for this video, you will come to this website which says Instagram downloader. Let me show you. When I click here, I copy the link, and you copy the link like that. Then you come to this website which shows Instagram downloader. That's how I started. Then you click on download, and it's going to download that video for you. But if you have money and access where you can buy those products by yourself and create reviews yourself, it's also good. Then I'll download this video. And the reason why I'm doing this, because it will not contain a watermark. Yes, putting videos with watermark on YouTube, it doesn't look nice and people will not like it. So what you do, you download that, and that file is downloaded here on your computer. So when you are done with that, then you will go to YouTube and upload this video, and you go to Amazon and find the link for this bag and put it in the comment in the description section. So that's how you're going to make sales. A day you can post 2 to 3 videos. I started by posting 3 videos per day. I started posting 3 videos per day, and you can go ahead even create long form content. What you do, you get like 5 of these videos, put them in a long content form, and also promote it. For example, let me show you this channel that I'm running that is in the fashion niche. Yes, so that you can know that this thing is real and it's working. As you can see, I've reached 1K subscribers, and these are the videos that I put there. So these are different videos. Some of them do well and some of them don't do well. So here I also put long form videos. Yes, you can also put long form videos. And how I do that, I do that in Canva, but because I don't want to take too much time. So when you put them, so, for example, this one has 2K. Some of them do well, some of them don't do well. But I would advise you, if you are starting, you start out with shorts, because shorts are going to help you grow your channel faster and to get subscribers faster. And if you don't want to try it that way, then there is also another way that you can do this. You can also either go with the part of just opening an Instagram account if you don't want to come on YouTube, because the good thing about Instagram, that they can even allow you to repost other people's content. It's not like YouTube. Yes, they can allow you to repost other people's content. So you can come here and use these videos, and what you do, you credit the creator. For example, you can mention the name of the person who created that video, and you go ahead and create videos like this. And what you do, you get the link for your shop and put it up in Amazon. For example, if we click on this person's Instagram account, we are going to see a link. So as you can see this link in the bio. So if a person looks at your page and likes what you are doing or likes the fashions that you are putting there, they will come and click on this link, and that link will take you here. As you can see, this person has an Amazon storefront, and I have that one too. But for people who have an Amazon storefront, you're supposed to have like 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or any of the social media platforms and more to get the Amazon storefront, where people can shop now from your store from Amazon. But don't worry, you can also go ahead, create something which they call a link tree, and be linking all the links to the products that you feel are quick to buy and they are high in demand and expensive, so that when a person makes a say, when a person buys, you get a commission. So as this person put all these links in one place, yes, so you can also create a link tree and link all your products on that one link tree. Yes, even if you don't have a storefront, it can work. So this is their page and they are promoting these things, and if a person clicks like on these dresses, the person will go to Amazon and buy those dresses. Yes, to show you another way that you can do this, yes, let me go ahead and take you back that Amazon page. When I click on it, if you don't want to go through the stress of using other people's content, what you can do, you can come up with its designs like this. You can go to places like Canva. I talk a lot more about Canva in my videos. You go to places like Canva, you create things like these posters, you post them on Instagram, or you can even turn them into videos. For example, you can create a dress and show people how they can match this dress. For example, they can use this lipstick, the shoes, the bag, and the earrings. And if a person clicks on your page, when they go to buy, they can buy the dress. The dress is separate, which means you are going to get the commission for the dress. You get commission for the earrings, commission for the bag, commission for the shoes, and this lipstick. So that's also another way you can do that and you can grow. Yes, using, for example, also this other person is doing it and they're doing the same strategy that I showed you. So if a person wants to buy this, they'll buy this because they have seen how the design will look. So that's also another way that you can do, and that's what I do also. Sometime I take my time, create this. You can use this also for Pinterest. Yes, so you create this, you post it on Pinterest, TikTok, and other platforms. So that's how you can do it. If a person buys this shades dress, you are getting commission from all these products. So that's how you can do it. That's another way that you can do it. I've done a video showing you how you can do all of that using Canva. Yes, so these are different ways how you can earn money using this. And to show you proof, another person that is doing this on YouTube is this person who is using which channel, which is called Tech Joint, and this one they are using AI. So a good thing about this, you can also use AI. You don't have to use another person's content. Now there is AI which can create videos for you which are in the fashion niche, which can create videos for you which are in the kitchen niche. For example, if you see this video here, this person, they are not even showing their face, but the videos are making a lot of money. And the good thing about this way, I would advise you to go with this because this is going to get you monetized. So as you can see ads running on this channel already. So that goes to show you that this channel is monetized. Yes. And apart from that, from this channel being monetized, they are recommending products to these people and they are using AI to create this product. So as you can see, if a person wants to buy all these products and they are into the kitchen or the gadgets niche, yes, so they are showing people different gadgets that they can buy from Amazon. And as you can see, this video was posted 2 weeks ago and it's 10K. And this is what I'm doing also on my other channel, I've told you, but it hasn't grown up yet. Yes, so this is what you can do, and here you will not get in any copyright problems. You can get AI to do all these product review videos for you. As you can see, they are also including the price of the product in the video. And as you can see, as I told you, when you click here in down below in the description, you can see the links to all the products that these people are promoting in this video, the links from the first product that they have talked about up to the last product. So imagine this 10,000 people, maybe let me say 5,000 people clicked and bought from this from this YouTube channel. That means they are making money. And this is not the only channel that is doing it. A lot of people are doing it. And other people are doing it in a way that they go to TikTok, get videos, and they turn them into complementary videos. Yes, is it complementary videos on TikTok? And they use them to make money on YouTube. So many people are doing this thing right now. Yes, and their channels are blowing up. Yes, so they create videos with AI like this channel, and they come and post them here. For example, let me on the volume and you can hear this for yourself.
Polyurethane provides more control. The non-skid rubberized bottom keeps it firmly in place on any surface. The catch tray makes cooking more convenient, eliminating mess and slips. Plus, the entire chopper is dishwasher safe. This electric knife allows you to make perfectly even slices quickly and without much pressure.
So as you can see, that's how they are doing it. They are not even showing themselves. They are using AI to do the voiceover, but they are explaining to people how they can do this. So as you can see, this product is $60. Some of them they can be even up to $100. And if you check the channel, it's doing well. They are having a lot of videos on this channel. As you can see, 2K videos, and people are watching them like crazy, and they are buying from this channel. Yes, they are buying from this channel. There are a lot of channels, I mean, there are a lot of videos here. So you can go in that way and do that. If you want to use TikTok, what you do, you will also come on TikTok and start posting content. But the other downside about TikTok, you can't earn sales right away, because TikTok will need you to get 1,000 followers for you to put a link in on here on TikTok that can be clickable. Yes, but on other platforms like Instagram, even if you have one follower, they allow you to put a link on your Instagram so that people can click on it. And the same with YouTube. If you if you sign up to YouTube and put in your face scan, then they can allow you to use advanced features of putting the links in your description if you haven't reached 50 subscribers. But 50 subscribers is not difficult to reach. So as you can see, this channel, it's posting content on TikTok and making money from it. And the other thing about it, they are posting content even which is not their own, and TikTok allows it and Instagram, but YouTube, you can't do that. Yes, so what they do, they put a link here, and if we click on this person's link from TikTok, it's going to bring us to their links on Amazon. For example, their social media links. If we click on Amazon, you are going to see what their shop looks like, what their storefront looks like. So this is how their storefront looks like. Yes, and they are promoting products, and they are putting products here that people can buy. So if a person comes here and they have seen a video on TikTok, they'll just come here and search the product they have seen in TikTok, and they'll click on it and buy. So this is how basically a storefront looks. Yes, that's how it looks like. Yes, and you can go ahead and try this and make money. So if this video has given you value and you think and you feel you can try out this side hustle, just comment in the comment section below. And if you're wondering, do they really pay? Yes, they pay. Yes, they really pay here on Amazon. Yes, they pay, and they can send your money directly into your bank account. Let me show you. So as you can see, since I started working with them, I've earned also some commissions I myself. And I wasn't even serious about this side hustle because I wasn't sure. A lot of YouTubers, they will come tell you this will work, you try it out, it will not work. But I tried out this side hustle, and I'm glad I've cashed out from them for quite a few times, even though I'm a beginner, and I'm going to jump so deep on this side hustle so that I can make too much, like other YouTubers say they make $7,000 much and even more, so that I can make that money. So I just wanted to show that this really works and it pays. Yes. So if you've watched up to this end, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Yes.